And let's get started. Here is a typical slide. Now, I don't know about your experience, but I see something like that every day. We follow the presentation tool. We start maybe with a title at the top and then some bullet points. We love our bullet points, lots of text in the middle, maybe a random clip art on the side. Now, the problem with this is that people can't read and listen at the same time. So if I show you something like this, and please tell me if that's not the case, but I guess that at the moment you are either trying to read the slide or listen to me. Very hard to do both things at the same time. People can't read and listen at the same time, not even women. Yeah, I know that women are much better than us at multitasking, but it's very hard even for women to read and listen at the same time. We have a client at the moment, they make me laugh because they hired us to deliver a series of presentation design workshops for their teams. And they said that the reason was that they say, not me, they say that their slides look like shit. And excuse my language, but it made me laugh. So this is an example of a slide that looks like shit. So we don't want to do that. This is a crime against the audience. You don't want to do it. So by the end of this session, you will have a very good understanding in terms of how you can make your slides look less like shit. So that's what we're going to do today. And let's start with a quick question. And please let me know in the chat box. As I said, there is no right or wrong answer. Based on your experience, what's wrong with slides? What is it that you don't like about the way people and companies use slides? Please let me know in the chat box. There's no right or wrong answer. Too many words, Adrian says. Yeah, definitely. What else? Too much information, Chris. Candy, too much of everything, I guess. Absolutely, it's true. Yeah, it can affect engagement with the audience. Yeah, too corporate, Mike says. Yeah, absolutely distracting. Yes, I see that every day, spot on, at conferences, business meetings, even online now. And you see, it's important to understand what's wrong with presentations from a design perspective, so we can fix it. And if you want to fix it, if you really want to improve your ability to reinforce and amplify your messages using effective slides, then you need to know the 3 universal principles of design. And that's what we are going to cover today. I'm going to show you how you can improve your slides, even if you're not a slide designer, even if you're not a graphic designer. And before we do that, for those of you who don't know me, just a very quick intro. Now, my name is Andrea. I'm a presentation coach. I'm the founder of Ideas on Stage in the UK. I'm in London, but we are also in Paris, Milan, Barcelona, and LA in the US. In the last 10 years, we've been working with thousands of clients, from the small business owner or professional, all the way up to clients like Microsoft, Lacoste, the World Bank. We've been coaching more than 400 TEDx speakers so far. And we specialize in working with established business owners who want to either grow their business or increase their influence through great presenting. And my mission is to change the way people think about presentations. And my vision for the next 10 years is to help 1,000 purpose-driven entrepreneurs share the message, make an impact, and be memorable. Why? Because I strongly believe that if you want to make an impact, the best thing you can do is to be an entrepreneur who has a vision that goes beyond just making money. And I know that for them, if they can use their voice for good, and we like to help them, then we can all contribute to changing the world for the better. So that's why we do what we do. But enough about me. We are here to talk about the 3 universal principles of design. And here they are: picture superiority, white space, and rule of thirds. Before we get started, really, just out of curiosity, can you please type a quick exclamation mark in the chat box if you know at least one of these principles, if you've heard at least one of these principles?